Welcome to the Occidental Marhaba Sousse in Tunisia. This is going to be a tour of the room I've been staying in here. Obviously, elevator, we're up on the second floor. So it's only going to be a short video because the rooms aren't massive. But I hope the video helps if you're thinking about staying here. So it's a key card for all the rooms. So there we go. And we are in room 220. As I said, second floor. And the camera does not like the lights in the bathroom, so I shall turn them off. So as soon as you come into the left, bathroom actually with the bathtub and a shower, and the toilet is actually behind the door there on my left. So into the room. Great sized double bed. Loads of storage here. And there is a mini fridge. And in this end cupboard, there is the safe, which is free to use. There is a TV, smart TV there on the wall. If you need a kettle, it doesn't actually come supplied with the room. You have to pay 5 dinars per day for a kettle, which they'll organise for you at reception. And then I'll just take you out here onto the balcony and show you the view from our balcony. So this is the sea view room, or a sea view room I should say. And the hotel there in the background, I think that's the Marhaba beach. As I said, this was only going to be a short video, quick room tour of our room here at the Occidental Marhaba Sousse. So thanks for watching as usual. Please subscribe, like and comment.